The 5-axis CNC modular chocolate depositing equipment from Loynds is highly flexible, allowing you to quickly adapt to market trends. Production lines are configured from modules, which are all on wheels and can be moved into and out of the line as required. There are 50 modules currently available with 300 possible line configurations, allowing you to manufacture almost any chocolate product available today. Modules include 5-axis CNC depositing, aeration, lollipop stick inserting, bud filling, biscuit inserting, chocolate and nut mix depositing, whole nut inserting, vibrating, demolding, and many more. The full range of modules can be seen on our website in the CNC chocolate depositing modules category. Products which can be manufactured using this unique depositing technology include intricate multicolored decorated chocolates, chocolate lollipop with automatic stick insertion, biscuits with chocolate, chocolates placed automatically into boxes, chocolates with whole nuts, chocolate with inclusions, one-shot chocolates with centers of up to 90%, shell molded and book molded chocolates, one-shot molded jellies. In order to minimize factory space, each module has been designed with a return conveyor at the bottom to bring the molds back to the beginning of the circuit where the demolding machine is located. This means the line can be completely straight. All modules are on wheels, and each module can connect to any other. This means you can have an extremely flexible manufacturing setup that is both future-proof and space-efficient. The equipment works with mold sizes 450mm by 230mm or 450mm by 450mm. The molds are specially made with tracking inserts located inside, so the machine can control the indexing through the modules. All machinery is PLC controlled and comes with Wi-Fi access for remote updates to the CNC programs, remote support and training. In this video we have an example of a depositing line which is manufacturing decorated chocolates in 3 colors. We will see the finished chocolate placed automatically into its final packaging, and the packaging machine is integrated directly into the depositing line. Typically, the first stage of the process after demolding is preheating the mold. This melts any residue chocolate, ensuring a clean surface to the next molding. In the example here, the mold is having the first layer of its design deposited. The 5-axis CNC depositing head is precisely painting the first layer of white chocolate into the molds. The machine has a depositing precision of 0.01 grams and can deposit up to 500 kilograms per hour. The molds now pass through a vibrator and shaking station to aid the flow of chocolate in the molds and to remove any air bubbles. The molds now pass under a second CNC depositing head, where a second layer of the design, now in dark chocolate, is painted into the exact positions inside the chocolate molds. The molds now go through a pre-cooler. This sets the first part of the chocolate design, so that there is no distortion during the final deposit. You can now see the design of the chocolate coming together with white and dark chocolate detailing. Finally, the last deposit of chocolate is made, giving the full outer coating in milk chocolate. A final vibration and shake is applied to the molds before they enter the cooling tunnel. Molds travel out of the cooling tunnel from the same side they enter, and they return to the beginning of the circuit, traveling along the lower tier conveyor on each module. This depositing line has been configured to pack chocolates into boxes automatically. Final demolding is by vacuum, so that the chocolates can be placed precisely into the final packaging box. If you wish to go and see a depositing line working, please get in touch.